You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. You see, the hardest road often leads to the highest ground. I have walked many miles with blisters on my feet before the stage lights ever shined upon me. The sweet music comes after many hours of painful practice. The fingers bleed before they dance across the strings with ease. This is the way of all worthy things. Jah never promised an easy journey, only a worthwhile destination. The struggle you feel today developing your strength for tomorrow. When the rain falls hard and the wind blows fierce, that's when the roots grow deeper. Be like the tree that bends but never breaks. That's how you survive Babylon's storms. Many want the glory, but few embrace the story behind it. The victory isn't in the spotlight. It's in the shadows where you push forward when no one watching. The sun have rise every morning not because it's easy, but because that's the purpose it was given. Find your purpose and let nothing stop your rising. I've seen brothers give up just before their breakthrough moment. The darkest hour is just before dawn. This is when you must hold on the strongest. The hardest battle you will ever fight is the battle against your own doubt. When your mind says stop, let your spirit answer, not yet. Every great song I ever write, it comes through pain, through understanding suffering. The deeper the feeling, the more powerful the healing. People see the stage, the lights, the love from the crowd. They don't see the journey, the rejections, the nights when sleep never come because hunger was too loud. But I tell you this truth. Every scar you carry is a medal of honor. Every tear you shed is watering the garden of your future. The lion doesn't roar because it's afraid. It roars to announce its presence. Your struggle is your roar. Let Babylon hear you coming. You think you're broken? No, my friend. You're being rebuilt. Stronger, wiser, unshakable. The champion isn't made in the ring. He's made in the morning, when his body screams to stay in bed, but his soul pulls him to his feet. I've learned this lesson through fire. The only way out is through. You cannot walk around the mountain. You must climb it. And when you reach the top, breathless and bleeding, you look back and thank every obstacle that tried to stop you. Because without resistance, there is no strength. So here's what I need you to do right now. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now. Stand up. Look in the mirror. Tell yourself, I am not done. My story isn't finished. The best chapters are still unwritten. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for perfect timing. The universe rewards action, not intention. Whatever dream is burning in your chest, that business, that art, that change you want to see, start today. Even if you start small, just start. Because the world doesn't need more dreamers sleeping. It needs warriors waking up.